friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Hello Kitty in a present, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started with the eye. We're going to step over from the center on the left hand side, drawing in a nice big oval. We're going to leave quite a big gap coming over on the right hand side, replicating that. Now from here on the top, we're going to draw in another oval for the highlight. And then we're just going to color in our eyes black. Now right in the center, we're going to draw in a sideways oval. Let's move up above the right eye. We're going to draw in a circle for the middle of the bow. On the bottom, we're going to curve this around and through towards the top. And then right in the middle, we're going to draw in another curved line. On the top, we're going to curve this around in the opposite direction, bringing this around and through on the bottom. And then again in the center, just drawing in another curved line. Now for that right ear, we're going to bring this line out and down on the side. Now let's step up. For the top of the present box, we're going to just on the same width as the ear here, we're going to bring this diagonal line through towards the left past our eye. We're going to move up in the middle, drawing in another bow. So we're going to draw in a circle right in the center. On both sides, we're just going to curve this line around and then back in underneath. And then in the center, drawing in another curved line. Now in the middle, we're going to draw in two diagonal lines, dropping down. On the left and right hand side, we're going to bring this diagonal line out, ending it at the same width as the line on the bottom. And then now from here, we're just going to close this off with a straight line. Now let's come down. We're going to leave a small gap and we're going to curve this around, flattening that out, bringing that in towards the middle for the head. And then we're going to curve a small line that comes up. Let's curve the cheek down on the right hand side. So we're going to curve this around and in. And now we're going to leave space with the top of the hand. So we're going to curve this around, connecting that together, scooping that back in and down. For the thumb, we're going to arch this up and then back down. We're going to draw in a small diagonal line coming across. And then from that corner, we're just going to flatten this line out, connecting that together with the head on the bottom. Now from here on the top, we're just going to flatten the head out. So we're going to bring this line over. And now let's draw on the whiskers. On the top, let's curve this line out on both sides. Let's move down in the middle, replicating that. And then again, one more time as we move down on the bottom. Now let's draw on the present box underneath. So we're going to draw in a straight line from left to right, and we're going to connect that to that line for the arm. And if yours wasn't long enough, you can just extend it. Let's step up, drawing in a small diagonal line. We're going to do the same, curving this down on the left. For the neck, we're going to curve this line around and back in on the right. And then we're just going to curve this arm down towards the top of the box. Now from here on the left and right hand side, let's draw in a straight line coming down. And then we're going to close this off on the bottom with another straight line. Right in the center on the top, we're going to draw in a straight line coming over. And then moving down, leaving a gap, let's replicate that again. In the middle, stepping over on the left and right hand side, we're just going to draw in a straight line coming up towards the top. And then moving down, let's close that off. And that is it. That's how you draw Hello Kitty in a present. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.